that it feels right.
Hey, welcome back here, Coyote the Gamer. So,
I have my camera.
Alright, so we got Seth here. He's finally working on his car. I think this is the first time of it. This and the holes in the exhaust is the first time.
No.
But thankfully, he has a shirt on today.
Yeah, whenever I was working on the first time when we were...
Exactly.
First time when we were drilling
We got
holes
the Spec V SER bumper at the junkyard. It was like 33 bucks.
Dude, that's a medium. That's a medium.
And then we got this. We got the SER rear. We got that for I think it was 20 bucks, right?
Yeah.
20 bucks. 20 bucks with the with the spoiler. It was 30 bucks. So yeah, something like that. He's doing something. Wow.
Yo, it's almost there.
The only
Last
issue
ball.
is
Last
that
ball, my dudes.
the car we got this from had a front end collision, and it's ripped over there.
Dude,
but
I
what
found the
did you?
bumper for this.
Huh?
Found the bumper, like the rear bumper.
Oh, you did?
It's in that minivan.
It is. Is there a difference? Is there?
No, this. The rear bumper.
Yeah.
This is the front one.
Is there a difference? Is there a difference in yours in the?
Yeah, it's the sport package one.
Okay. And the side skirts too, right?
No, when I was there, I actually pissed on the SCR floor mat.
So what we're gonna do is basically
Zip tie.
get like everything, rear bumper, side skirts, and then we want to
one more bolt, my dudes.
we want to finish the we want to finish the body, like side skirts, tail lights, from bumper, rear bumper. Just finish a body to the SCR version. Then we're going to start working on the engine once Seth gets more money here. We're thinking of a turbo idea situation, but after we're done with the outside, we're going to repaint it. Won't be saying what color yet. And then he might do the conversion kit on the back tires for the disc instead of the drum. I don't know. That's his thing.
Huh?
If he wants to live and stop with his twin turbo.
Wait, what? Oh.
Yeah, so we're thinking of twin turbos or one turbo. I don't know. We're still thinking about that, but that's like later on, like next year type. But after we're done with the body, he wants to lower it, right? Right, Seth?
You're saying the same shit that I would be saying.
So you want to slam it?
Not slam, 2 inches low.
Like 2 inches off the ground low? Oh, I see you, bro. You wouldn't be scraping, right?
No, bitch.
Oh, alright. Okay. Yeah, you have a little bit right there, but right here, you can fix this with some Honda right here.
I got the big. Oh, my neck is killing me.
Perfect.
No, I'll leave that on.
The inner, we'll put the inner cooler right here. Inner cooler, right here. Big inner cooler. No. Okay. Looks good. Just keep it like that.
Fuck no.
Shut the hood.
I meant freak. No.
Shut the hood. Whoa. Yeah. Get your stand. Oh, it looks mean.
Looks like a retarded version of me.
Good one.
A whole bunch of... Looks nice.
Why does it look like a Mustang?
Just like does.
Like the 2002 ones, like the.
Dude, that means I gotta get a new hood. I gotta have to have an SCR hood.
No, you have to have SCR headlights, not hood.
And hood, because look,
And
now you
hood,
gotta
because
fit
it
that.
goes down. It curls
Unless
down.
you,
It does?
yeah, look.
Do you not see?
Wait, go on your phone and search up a car.
I
Well,
don't care, I'm leaving.
it actually doesn't look that bad. You can see your horns right there.
Why do you think I'm gonna... Where's that thing at? Pass it to him.
All right, we got the Got that fixed all good. We got some zip ties here.
Let's go.
All right, that's good. Just leave that, just like that.
Where's the scissors, bro? They're the scissors.
Huge rep over there.
Leave that on there. It looks like an eyelash.
Looks good. This side looks good. Just don't look at that. Bam. Looks nice. And then yeah.
That's debatable.
Debatable. True.
Dude, get that long ass one right there. Where's the bolts
Lift
at?
it up. It's on the. Ready?
Oh, fuck.
Woo.
That looks like a Mustang.
Exactly. What did I say? It's like a Mustang, isn't it?
Once you get the longer headlights.
It'll look like an R32 from the front.
And fenders.
And fenders and side skirts.
The floodlight, the low floodlights.
Oh yeah, it has no arc lights.
Huh?
I don't know how I'm gonna get that home.
Dude, just hide it in the woods.